Welcome to our Bootstrap sandbox. So we'll be dealing with Bootstrap classes in this our sandbox. So without further ado, let's start applying our Bootstrap class to the HTML element. So let's start coding. So we apply the class of heading 1, class of heading 2, class of heading 3, class of heading 4, class of heading 5, class heading 6. So you can see the effect. So let's move on to the display class. So apply our display class. You can see the effect. So this class is what you will be applying to your HTML element, so as it suits your UI applications. You can see this display 3. You can see the effect. You can see the effect of the display class. Display class. See the effect of the display class. Class already. You can see display 4. So always be careful when you're applying the class so that you won't make any mere blunder of typographical error, so that what you intend to display on the screen will be displaying otherwise. So ensure that you type the appropriate class name. So you can see the display here, display 1, 2. So we didn't correct, let's correct this 5 and 6. So you can see display 1 to 6. So let's go down. So this is paragraph. We apply the class of text centered. You can see centralize. So you can see this text decoration, class of text decoration, underline. You can see it's underline. Let's go down. Class of text decoration, line 2. Check it out. You can see that is the del in the HTML. That is the del element. So in the Bootstrap, we have what called text decoration line 2. So let's apply the mark. You can see the mark here. You can see the danger color. So in the HTML tag, it will give you a warning sign, which is the orange color. So let's apply here class of small. So let's check it out. You can see the text small. So let's move on. So in this, we apply the class of lead. Class of lead. You can see lead. So we can now say text mounted. You can see it gray out. You can see the effects. So here we have what we call class of text mono space. You can see the effect. Here we can now apply class of text font weight bold, class of font weight normal. See, let's copy it and apply other form and see. So we can now say font weight border, border. You can see. So let's move on. The next one we'll be dealing with now, we have what we call the transformation. It's a class of text lowercase. Want to make the text lowercase by small letter. I have class of text uppercase. Want to make them upper, that is capital letter. Then we have a class of text capitalize. So you can see capitalize, lowercase, uppercase, and capitalize. So let's move on. Excuse me. So now we have the block quotes, class of block quotes. You can see the block quote effects. Then we have class of block quotes. So we have block quotes. So say class of block quotes. Okay, here we say block quote and text align. So let's text align. Let's say end. Cool. You can see align right. So here class of block quotes. We now have here we now say class block quotes footer. See, it's working. So let's move on. I'll have here, you can see the many tests here. So when I see class of text truncate, you can see the test has been truncate. So the next we'll be dealing with now, we have the list. So we have a class of list unstyled. So you can see the list has been styled. Then we have a class of lists inline. Then we have a class of lists inline item. So we can copy the class and apply it to the list elements. So this section, as you can see, is now inline. So I think this is the end of our typography. So is the typography, basic typography in the Bootstrap. So we'll end the class here. So I will see you in the next section.